In the healthcare field, professionals play a vital role in making a difference in people's lives. There are several key qualities that make a great healthcare worker, but we're just going to review a very short list of those qualities. Whether you are a patient care representative checking in patients, a nurse at a very busy hospital, or even a physical therapist in an outpatient setting. These are some characteristics of a good healthcare professional. Healthcare professionals are driven by that desire to help and support others. They try to understand the struggles their patients face and then prioritize their needs. So whether it's a serious illness or a minor concern, showing empathy and compassion builds trust and strengthens that relationship. It leads to a better outcome for patients and a more meaningful connection. I want you to pause for a moment and think about the last healthcare visit you had. It could be with the physician, it could be with a dentist. Think about how you felt at that appointment. Did they connect with you? Did you feel like they listened? Do you feel like they cared about you? Or did you feel like you were just a number in the system that they brought you in and kicked you out as fast as possible? Empathy is so important for all different types of healthcare providers. Healthcare roles can be demanding with long hours and sometimes intense situations. Being reliable means showing up on time, communicating clearly, being honest, and being a good team player. Your coworkers and patients depend on you to deliver your best at all times. In healthcare, you'll need to be great at multitasking and problem solving. Healthcare environments are fast-paced and unpredictable. It doesn't matter if you're in the hospital or an outpatient setting. You could manage several patients, update records, and respond to emergencies. You'll need to think quickly and calmly to find solutions, ensuring the safety and well-being of your patients. So let's go back to that patient care representative who is just checking in patients. You might think, oh, I don't need to respond to emergencies, but where I work, they do. They are responsible for sometimes calling 911. They are responsible for going into that patient's chart and printing out all the important vital information that we can pass on to EMS. And they might be requested to be outside the building to catch that ambulance as it drives up and help them find the patient and where that emergency is happening. Being competent is crucial. This means paying attention to every detail, from lab results to patient conditions. It's about having the knowledge and training to make informed decisions and continuing to learn to stay at the top of your game. Competence ensures high quality care and builds patient confidence. Once you start entering that healthcare workforce, a lot of organizations have their own educational systems that you can log into or sign up for and just review knowledge. Because remember, if you don't use something very often, like emergency care, you lose it. So it's important to stay up on those skills and important to learn about new medical technologies because it is constantly improving out there, which is absolutely fantastic. But it also means you need to be open to being a lifetime learner. And this one seems kind of obvious, but we have to discuss it. Taking care of your health is so important. To handle the physical demands of the job, you need to stay physically fit, you need to eat well, manage stress, and get enough rest. And that means over 7 hours a night. I know that's sometimes very difficult for us. And it's not just about you. It's about setting a positive example for your patients too. Professional appearance matters. If you're working somewhere that requires a uniform, make sure that it is clean. You want to make sure you always have your name badge so people can identify you and what your job type is. You want to have the proper footwear, which includes most of the time closed-toed and a non-absorbent shoe. Nails should be kept short with clear polish because as long as you have those long nails or really dark nail polish, it can collect dirt and germs and you won't even be able to see when your nails are dirty. And remember to tie back your hair. Loose hair or accessories can get in the way and it can pick up germs. If you wear your hair down, how many times are you brushing it out of your face or tucking it behind your ears? When I worked in the hospital, I could not have my hair down. It needed to be out of the way, and I didn't want to worry about it. So just in summary, these qualities are a very short list. There's many qualities out there that can make a great healthcare professional. But we did talk about empathy, dependability, multitasking and problem solving, being competent, having a healthy lifestyle, and that professional appearance. And this all helps ensure the best care for your patients and a long, rewarding career in healthcare.